Introducing a renowned lady of song, refreshingly motivating and energetically captivating, the Songbird, Myrna Clayton.
A long time ago in the 40s, Dizzy and Bird gave us this song. They called it Night in Tunisia, and the melody still lingers on. Max Miles to name just two. Together they proved the music was young and strong, and the melody still lingers on.
You know, honestly, music makes life better. Music is a connector. It's a healer. Music connects people regardless of race, language, or social status. If a person likes a song or a melody, it's an instant bonding. They're able to connect and make a connection that's lasting on just a song. It's a healer because music can penetrate places that nothing physical can go. It soothes in and makes you improve your attitude, change your energy, just give you a good mood. It makes everything better. That's what music does.
International audiences including Russia, France, Germany, America, Nigeria, Belarus. Singing the song styles of America: pop, soul, R&B, gospel, blues, and all forms of jazz, classic standards, contemporary, smooth jazz, and swing.
I've discovered that international audiences are not pretentious when it comes to music. If they like it, you know it. If they don't, you know that too. Thankfully, music is universal, crossing cultures and language. And I enjoy learning new cultures and new languages. I embrace the legacy of the legendary Josephine Baker, who was an awesome performer and a music ambassador. She set the standards for memorable live shows and graceful diplomacy, expanding the awareness of American values. I guess what's unique about me as a singer is the audience experience. I really want the audience to feel good. Whether I'm singing jazz or Motown or some other awesome style of American music, I want everybody, young or old, to have a good feeling and then take that feeling out into the atmosphere and share it with others. I have an MBA. I'm artistic director of a nonprofit NGO. But music, singing, that's my career. That's my passion. I guess I am like a little songbird who's happy singing and happy making others smile too.
But when she passes, he smiles, but she doesn't see. She just doesn't see. She looks straight ahead, not at him.
The Songbird, Myrna Clayton.